In grammar, a conjunction is a word or a group of words that connects words, phrases, or clauses within a sentence. Conjunctions are used to show the relationship between the elements they connect and help to create a coherent flow in the text. They are an essential part of constructing meaningful and well-structured sentences. There are three main types of conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. These conjunctions join words, phrases, or independent clauses of equal importance. The most common coordinating conjunctions are, for example, and, but, or, nor, so, yet. Example, I like to read books, and I also enjoy watching movies. Subordinating conjunctions. These conjunctions join an independent clause with a dependent clause, creating a dependent relationship between the two. The dependent clause cannot stand alone as a complete sentence. For example, because, although, if, when, since, while, unless, etc. Example, I will go to the park if it stops raining. Correlative conjunctions. These conjunctions come in pairs and link similar elements in a sentence. They work in pairs to provide balance and clarity. For example, either, or, neither, nor, both, and, not only, but also, whether, or. Example, she can either choose to study for the exam or go out with her friends. Conjunctions play a crucial role in making sentences more meaningful and helping to express complex ideas effectively. They allow writers to show relationships, contrast ideas, present options, and build connections between different parts of a sentence or paragraph.